today I'm going to show you how to upload a video from a camera. So first, you see this little plug right here? You're going to plug it into your Chromebook. And then your screen should say this. Mass storage connected. Do not unplug the USB cable. Do not turn off the power. And do not close the LCD panel. And then once you wait there for a little bit, your video will upload, and that's how to upload a video from the camera.
How to upload videos to your Chromebook. So you're gonna plug in the camera. You gotta open this, let it sit for like 2 minutes. After those 2 minutes, you're gonna open and shut it until it says what it's saying right now. And you gotta give it a second, and that's what it should say. And you gotta wait for like 50 minutes for it to upload. And then once it's done uploading, you're gonna unplug it. You're gonna shut the lens, then you're done.
Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on my Chromebook. So first, you see this off and on button right here. You're going to hold that, and it'll turn on. You do the same thing for the other one. Hold the off and on button, and it should turn on. And then, for the big lights, there's a switch right here. You switch that. And for the big light, you do the same thing, switch it on. And that is how you turn on. Make it taller, and then you can and to make it shorter, you unlatch them. That's that. You see that camera? And then, so you see this button? Well, hold on. This button right here. To zoom it in, you turn it right. Turn it right, like that. And then to zoom it out, you turn it left. And that is how you zoom in and out of the camera and how to set up. Sorry. Shh. Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to do 3 digit times 1 digit. So, and I'm going to be using area model. So you draw a box for area model. And the problem is going to be 355 times 9. And so you draw the 9 on like that. And then you do 300 plus 50 and then plus 5. And then you draw 2 lines. And this is for the 5, that's for the 50. And then 3 times 9 equals 27. And then 20, you write 27, and 300 has 2 zeros, so you would add 2 zeros. And then you would add a comma since it's 2000, and then 9 times 5 equals 45. So it'd be 45, and then there's 1 0 and 50, so we'd add a 0. So it should look like that so far. And then 9 times 5 equals 45. And then you would add 2,700 plus 450. And then you would then add 45 to that. You would add it, and then 5. So 0 plus 0 plus 5 equals 5. And then 0 plus 5 plus 4 equals 9. And then 7 plus 4 equals 11. So it would carry a 1. And so it would be 3,195. That's how you do 300 times one digit with Arial model.
Okay.